Hello everyone, welcome back to MKT channel. For those of you in business, posting on groups with potential customers is essential, isn't it? This is so you can reach hot leads or find out if any customers are interested in liking or commenting on competitors' product posts. Today, I will introduce a feature to help you scan all the groups that match your specific customer base and industry. We will scan groups by keywords. So, this is the software interface. The MKT UID tool will help you scan for group IDs. How do we set it up? First, we select the keyword scanning feature. Enter keywords here. For example, if you sell Tet gifts. Tet gifts are running low. Tet is almost here. So we will enter the keyword Tet gifts here. All keywords related to your industry. Tet gifts, for example. You can also personalize it further by adding a geographical area. You can set it up so that the software only scans for groups with more than a certain number of members. Like here, I'm setting it to 15,000 members. It will only scan for groups with more than 15,000 members. This is the mode to scan for moderated or unmoderated groups only. We don't need this. Or the mode to only scan public groups. All right, after setting up, just click Start and the software will proceed to select. Oh, I have to select an account first, the account I want to scan with. Click Start. To select an account, we choose an account and then click Start. So once you scan for groups, how will we leverage them? There are many approaches. First, you can use the bulk posting feature, post to all the groups that the software scanned. Next, for groups with post moderation, you can use the automatic commenting feature to comment on top posts, introducing your product to them. Or you can also scan for new members who joined the group, meaning those who have urgent needs and are interested in that product or service. There are many ways to leverage this, depending on your strategy. So, the software has already scanned quite a few groups, but it's still scanning everyone. Once the software finishes scanning, you'll click to export the data. Choose the destination folder. There, I have successfully exported the file. The file will include group ID, group name, all related information, moderation status. My video ends here. If any of you have questions or want to ask more about the software, you can call my phone number displayed on the screen directly. Goodbye, everyone.